Hi, this is Daryl again. Now we're walking back out from the lobby. If you watch my other videos, you saw what we showed earlier. A little bit more how far it does stretch out. Now this is going to be a walking tour of the pool and bar area at the Royalton. Like I said, this place really got hammered by Hurricane Fiona. If you look right up top there, on top of the brown walkway, that's going to one of the buffets. Most of the roof got ripped off. It was just little like fiberglass stuff, but it took some damage. But they're in there, they're working away. This place got hit hard. The roof got literally ripped off of the swim up bar. Kind of a bummer, but you know what? You make the best. But they're working on it. They've got a bunch of mini bars set up. As you can see, when we're going to be walking up, you're going to see the first mini bar. Bear with me going down the stairs. There's the first bar. As you can see today, they have vendors set up with marijuana. If money is an issue and you don't have a lot of currency, then they do have a store with the bottles of marijuana, but I would highly suggest that you pick them up here. They are going to be a lot cheaper, just from personal experience. Again, we're just going to do a slow little showing of everything here. As you can see here, they got the music going. It's quite a lively environment. Yesterday was our first day. And as you can see, everything in general, there's now a little store there. And that's just another little walkway around where that is a little eatery. That's one of the restaurants, Pescari, where you can get the sushi and seafood. I am not a seafood lover, but from what I've been heard from other people, it is phenomenal seafood. So these are the private little, call them cabana huts, whatever you want to call them. They are for rent. They are for Diamond Club. They are very, very nice. As you can see, they all have the jacuzzi and everything else. This is your towel exchange. Very simple, very airy. And as we're coming up, this is the Munchies Grill. Very handy. Very, very good food. Another nice little seating area. This is where the swim up bar used to be. As you can see, it's about a 10-seater. As you can see, but there's no roof. Stuff happens, I guess, but they've made do. They've got 3 or 4 bars popped up all around, makeshift to take care of you. As you can see, nice lots of little seating area. These are the cabanas that you can get with your own private jacuzzi, and they got big day beds over there. The weather hasn't been the best, but for yesterday and today, they were calling for overcast. Supposed to be a lot of rain yesterday. Was not bad. We still had a good time. We were partying our asses off out in it anyways. Who cares? You're gonna get wet anyways. This is what you saw before in my previous videos, is the mermaid pool. Very cool, very novel idea. Never seen anything like it before. Gotta be probably the only one in Punta Cana like this. I think the Royalton Chic has really outdone themselves here. It is a lot smaller than what I was interpreting, but it's a lot more quaint, but I find that more appealing myself. So we're just coming back up the way that we came before. Another big seating area. little bit of a far shot from there, from the main lobby. That brown walkway, which is normally covered, but like I said, they had some damage, takes you to Elements, which is their buffet, which I can say the breakfast this morning was excelente. It was so good. Customize your omelet, which was very good. Everything was cooked very nice and solid. So here's a little look at the first makeshift bar that they've set up. Again, top shelf liquors. These are some of the vendors that they've allowed in, apparently every Wednesday. And the side shot in between the cabanas. We're going to do a little closer look in at the cabanas. Like I said, they have like the fridges in here, big long day beds. Very, very nice, pristine. This is the buffet area, and as you can see, the total proximity is all very, very nice. You don't have to walk 10 million miles. You literally have the beach right there. There's 2 individual pools here. There's 5 pools here. Again, a lot smaller in some of them, but some people, if you just want to be antisocial or whatever, it's your call. There's the one stage when they have outdoor entertainment. There is another makeshift beach bar. Now we're going to do another closer look into the pool. This is the main pool. It's very, very nice. They have the submerged chairs, which is super nice and novel. We have not experienced this at any other place unless you specifically get a swim-up room. The chairs themselves, as you can see, very plush cushions, super comfortable. You can see we had a little bit of rain, but the sun is starting to break out now, and it's getting warm. Right now, when I saw, the temperature was coming in already at 81 degrees. Now we're going to come to the walkway area. It got hit so hard that this stone walkway, not stone walkway, I apologize, like a barrier is more of a decorative thing, got destroyed. As you can see, I was asking about this and they said the winds were just ridiculous. So as you can see, they're in a process of cleaning up after Hurricane Fiona really did a lot of damage down here. But these guys, to their credit, they've been on it. Yesterday, they must have had 10 people out on this beach doing cleanup. We're not going to look at the beach now. I don't want to spoil you guys, but we're going to do more beach footage later on. So if you want to take a look at the beach, stay tuned and take a look for my video to be uploaded. Again, we're coming near back to the main pool area. Love how they have the palm trees in the middle of the pool. This is the makeshift beach bar that they set up. Again, Canadian Club, Top House Liquors, Johnny Walker, you name it. Like I said, this is some of the vendors that they've allowed in. These are some of the beachfront swim-up rooms. These they are at a premium, but they are absolutely gorgeous. Would highly, highly recommend. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna encircle this side of the pool and go back out to the front where the main lobby is, and then this will be your complete walkabout tour of the swimming pool and lobby area. Again, now these chairs are for general use. They are not for Diamond Club. Super comfortable. I checked them out yesterday, and I love how these little top hoods, if you want to call it, can come up, protect you from the sun if you want. And as you can see, all the chairs that are in the submerged water all have little tables and stuff. They do have poolside service, very attentive. Time duration from when you asked for your drink to when they brought it to you was very reasonable. I mean, even though the resort's not super busy right now, it's consistent. It is probably half capacity. It was still very reasonable. One time took a little bit longer, but you know what? You're on holidays. They're not under a time frame, but they were very, very, very polite. And as you can see, we're coming back around to where the Munchies Cafe / bar is at. Little closer look at the damage that got done here. It's crazy. Look at it. Ripped the granite right off. I mean, just nuts. It's a shame because we're swim-up bar people, but you know what? What is. But look at the damage. Ripped the bricks and everything right off the foundation, the roof. It's crazy. All right. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for my next posted video of the beach, and I'll give you a thorough walkthrough and explanation of everything. Okay, thanks for watching.